Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So this is our course shell. So first of all, there is one announcement as you can see here. If you like math problems and if you would like to do, some challenging problem, then here you go. You have Bishi Math Challenge available for you, and then this is the first problem, and you are allowed to, solve this problem here. This is the question, and so you have to show your work, and you can send your work to just read this thing and then send your answer. Okay, if you like math problems, that's the first thing. And let's see, things you need to finish this week. When you go to your assignment due dates file here, as you can see, this is week 5, and you have to, and this is actually the test week. There is a chapter 6 practice test. That is the most important assignment for the week because that will give you an opportunity to practice problem from chapter 6, and that will help you to take chapter 6 test and then proctor exam 1. So the difference between chapter 6 test and proctor exam 1 is there is one difference. The one is proctor and another one is not. Chapter 6 test, there are 20 questions, and you can do this assignment one time only, and there is no time restriction. So one time only, after you submit you are done. Okay, and the proctor exam 1, this is also one time only, but there is a time restriction which is 3 hours time, and there are 15 questions. Okay, 20 question here in the chapter test and 15 question in the proctor test. To take the proctor exam 1, you need to use honor lock. There is one assignment called honor lock practice assignment, so take that test using honor lock. So first of all, when you go to course content and find that honor lock practice test, for example, where is that? Okay, here there is a chapter 6 practice test. I did not put the link for the honor lock practice test, so I'm going to do that right now. Let's see. Okay, so when you come back here, you can see right after chapter 6 test, there is a link for honor lock practice assignment. If you click that link, it's going to ask you a password, and you don't have a password. That's why you need to use honor lock to get that password. And to do that, go to the honor lock launch honor lock for proctor assessment folder here, and when you click that, it's going to give you a video instruction. Just if you don't know how to use honor lock to take this password protected exam, then watch this video and it will tell you exactly what you need to do step by step. After that, when you click this link here, you will be able to see all the proctor exam list. I can see all of them, which might not be available for you because this is my account, so I can see everything, but you will be able to see only available assignment. So here is the honor lock practice assignment. Instead of results or setting, you might see something like launch tab. Click that one, follow the instruction, verify your identity, scan your working area, and then after being verified, honor lock is going to put the password for you here. Okay, and then you take the this honor lock practice assignment. Remember, this proctor exam is the proctor. That means you are not allowed to take that. If someone is working in your room, or you cannot talk during the test. So think about this. You are taking that test inside the classroom, regular classroom, so you have to maintain the same kind of type of environment. For some reason, if that environment not if that type of environment is not available at your home, then you can also go to a library, book a room, and then you can have that kind of environment. So after you finish this proctor exam, I will go over your recording, and if you do not follow the rules and regulation, you will not be able to get the full points. Okay, so keep in mind you have to follow all the requirement, all the uh, uh, the requirement to take the exam. Okay, and then you can take proctor exam 1 as well. So before taking this proctor exam 1 and chapter 6 test, make sure that you take this chapter 6 practice test again and again and again. Okay, and while doing the problem from this chapter 6 or chapter 6 practice test, if you have any questions, then feel free to email me. Whenever you email me, if it's needed, if you are asking me something like a different type of problem, and if I need to make video about it, then I will do that, and I will post that video under this homework help folder. As you can see that I have made a couple of video based on the email I have received from you, your classmates. Okay, and you can just click the link here and you can watch those video as well. Okay, so keep in mind the due dates, whatever due dates you can see, you do not have to wait until that date to finish your assignment. So make sure that you finish your assignment as soon as possible. As you can see, the due date is September 23, which is your Friday. I will make this assignment available until Sunday, just to give you extra time for some technical difficulties you might face. So do not email me after Sunday by saying that, hey, I had this type of technical difficulties. So I have already given you 2 extra days for those technical difficulties this week. Okay, so finish them by 23, and in case of emergency you can still work on 24 or 25. Okay, all the best, and keep working, keep learning.